Today, I will introduce Homaxi Active Deterrence Cameras, which can help warn before crime happens. Homaxi Active Deterrence Camera is a 3-in-1 device that simultaneously provides excellent images, active deterrence technology, and iQSense, which is AI technology designed to enhance alarm accuracy. First, the maximum aperture of f1 empowers the Homaxi Active Deterrence Camera to capture remarkably vivid, brighter, and more detailed images even in low light conditions, outperforming typical starlight cameras. Furthermore, during active deterrence, its prominent red and blue lights are highly effective in deterring criminals. Additionally, you can utilize the built-in speaker to warn off any intruders using either your own voice or a pre-recorded message. Finally, these devices feature smart motion detection and perimeter protection, enhancing alarm accuracy through iQSense technology. This results in reducing false alarms to less than 5%, with the technology effectively filtering out interference, such as animals and leaves. Additionally, the human detection distance can be up to 100 feet at daytime, and the vehicle detection distance can be up to 164 feet. Let's see how Homaxi Active Deterrence Camera works with its active deterrence function when the event happens. I will use the example of area intrusion which happens in Homaxi's showroom. First, let's configure the event settings in the local GUI. On the setting page, setting up the event schedule and triggering process is straightforward. As previously emphasized, I specifically want events to trigger only when individuals are involved, so I'll designate the human detection option. In the Advanced Settings section, critical considerations include configuring the red and blue light settings and audio linkage. Under the red and blue light settings, you can establish the schedule, flash rate, and duration. Similarly, in the audio linkage settings, you can set the schedule, choose different audio files, and determine the playback count. Additionally, you can add more arming areas as you want. Next, we'll define the area which we want to protect. Following this, sensitivity and target validity can be fine-tuned as needed. Upon clicking Apply, proceed to activate the Area Intrusion feature by clicking the open box. When a human enters the camera's view, the warm light LED will illuminate and capture a full-color image. When someone enters the designated area and attempts theft, red and blue lights will turn on, along with a recorded voice warning to deter intruders. After a period, the red and blue lights will deactivate and the warm light will resume. Eventually, the warm light will automatically switch off. Thank you for your time watching this tutorial. Welcome to scan the QR code of our social media platform and follow us.